We asked for your help and you responded. Thank you to everyone who brought supplies in on Sunday for our hurricane relief efforts. Right now, those supplies are going to the people who need them most. But our work is not done. The floods have left many people's homes in a terrible mess. You can help victims rebuild their lives by purchasing cleaning supplies. Check out the link below for a list of supplies and instructions. I want to thank you for your continued support. Your help is making a difference in people's lives.